There's a nice colorful sunrise sky right before the sun peeked over the Blue Ridge this morning, captured by a Warren Fault there in Jolly View in Augusta County. 36 this morning, a little higher than the previous morning when we had temperatures that were well below freezing. Now temperatures this afternoon did peak out in the low 60s for most locations, just a couple degrees now off the daytime high. 60 at the airport. We've got 58 in Waynesboro, 60 in Madison, 61 currently in Louisa, and 62 in Palmyra. Those winds out of the south and southwest today. We've had gusts over 20. There were some prescribed burns in portions of the Shenandoah Valley, so you may have smelt some smoke at times. And as we take a look at the satellite and radar combination, you can see some of those clouds that are still overhead. We'll kind of average variable cloudy skies tonight, and temperatures will remain relatively mild for this time of year, but with any little bit of wind, it'll feel chilly, but generally in the 40s for the early morning hours. Now, temperatures tomorrow will jump into the 70s. This will be our warmest day of the week, at least some upper 70s here across central Virginia, lower 70s in the Shenandoah Valley. Now, say between 11 and maybe 1 p.m. or so, we could have a few showers that sneak in from the west. Don't think everyone's going to see that, but otherwise a mix of sun and clouds. It will be breezy, gusty easily over 20 miles an hour tomorrow as we head through the afternoon. Now, I just want to give you a snapshot of Friday, because Friday will be another big transition day with temperatures. So our warmest numbers will be in the morning. This happens to be shortly after midnight on Friday, and we still have numbers that are in the 60s, and they may catch a little bounce up as we head into the late morning, but otherwise those numbers will start to fall. Rain will be arriving and that front will push through, and so by afternoon we're going to be in the 50s. So you can see that warmth will be pushed well to our south as that front bisects the region. So there's kind of a snapshot as we move into Friday afternoon with some ongoing showers, some embedded thunder as that system will be working through. General rainfall amounts around a ½ an inch or so. If we see a little more, that would certainly be good news. Well, this weekend is the annual Charlottesville 10 miler Saturday morning. I will be out there. It will be a cold start in the morning with temperatures climbing through the mid and upper 30s. The wind will be noticeable, and so that'll put a little chill in the air as well. But the weekend looks nice. We'll call it pleasantly cool. We're in the 50s here on Saturday. We'll jump into the low 60s here on Sunday. Those morning lows will still be at or below freezing. So there we go with the satellite radar combination. Our next front is dropping down from the Great Lakes. There'll be more active weather across the Ohio Valley tomorrow, and then that front will be in our vicinity here on Friday. Of course, the warmth is preceding it, and temperatures continue to climb, and that'll be the case here for tomorrow. So we'll start in the 40s for tomorrow morning. There's some of those midday showers that may impact the region. Otherwise, a mix of sun and clouds, warm and breezy in the 70s. And then here we are Friday morning. It's mild. We're in the 60s, but the better chance of rain arrives during the afternoon as this front continues to push off to the south and southeast. So tonight we're in the 40s under variably cloudy skies. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast as temperatures will climb again tomorrow, fall on Friday, cooler weekend, and then temperatures will start to warm back up here as we go into next week, which will usher in April.
All right, Eric, thank you.